Good luck on your pick 6 tickets, racing fans. Race number 3. Anytime now. And they're on their way. Arranque draws for your lead. Brother Barack down on the inside. Princess Wenda. Reyes Angel moving up on the outside, catching the third spot. Then running by the rail is Big Bang in fifth as they race towards the half-mile pole. Brother Barack in command by about 3 lengths. Arranque is in second. Reyes Angel now trying to get closer in third, then followed by Princess Wenda as they rounded the 600. Brother Barack still in command, this time by about 2 lengths. Arranque remains in second. Reyes Angel still in third. Princess Wenda and Big Bang as they race for home. Brother Barack still leading the field. Arranque still in second on the outside, and Reyes Angel. And down the stretch they come. Brother Barack just in front, throwing a challenge. Moves up to grab the lead is the favorite. Arranque. Zarate on Arranque starts to draw away by about 2 lengths. And finally, Arranque. Brother Barack, Reyes Angel, Princess Wenda, Big Bang.